Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. Another record, 33 1/3, and I'm going to do a dirty pour on there using black, white and red. I have silicone spray in the red and give it a bit more, and in the white. And I'm going to just pour these colours in and then pour them out, and hopefully I might put a bit more white on the top just for fun. Hopefully get a very pretty pattern out of this one. Alright, here we go. I've got a bit of blue tack in the centre, and oh yes, twirling, 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 and that looks about it. Let's see how we go here. I've decided to do a few of these because I have rather a large family and I would really like to have enough clocks to give them out for Christmas gifts. And so at the moment I have one finished and one dry. So it doesn't help me all that much because I have rather a big family. I only had 2 children of my own, but I've got grandchildren and sisters, brothers. I'm just getting that over that edge, bringing this one down. Oh, I like the last one, but this one is really, come on, don't be shy, over you go. Leave some of the white, that's good. Now take it back. These don't take long to do, they're really good. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, I wonder who's going to choose this one. Don't want that jumping up and biting my paintings. Right. Oh, I'll wipe my hands off. Give it a little burst with the burner. And I'm not going to mess with that one, it's too good. Well, by the smell of that, it's nearly out and we're in lockdown, so I don't know that I'll be able to go up the street and get any more gas. That's going to be a nuisance. Not to worry, we'll sort it all out. So, here we are. How pretty is that? That is really nice. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell beside it and you'll be notified when I put up new videos. Oh, I like that bit. And there's a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. Please click on that, come across and join us if you like. We have a bit of fun. And you can put up your works there. You can sell some if you want. I think that's about all. Please give this one the thumbs up, and I appreciate that when people give it a thumbs up. I hope you've enjoyed this one. It's really, really pretty. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.